Hi and welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and yesterday we were looking at the price of Bitcoin using our indicator, which is called Quadzilla. Let's put that on. So I'm looking here at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what we had here was these retracement levels here that Quadzilla gives, and you can see that the price has been behaving very well in the way that it returns to these bullish ones, has a little bounce, and then it kind of does whatever the trend is doing. Now when I say whatever the trend is doing, you can see here that we have this cross here of this yellow line here, that's a 21 EMA, and this green 55 EMA here. So for example, these crossed here bearish on Wednesday the 17th of June, and the price came down. They went bullish again here, and the price went back up. Then we got this bearish retracement level here, which means the price is going to go down. It's going to come back to that level at some point, and it did that on Monday this week. Okay, so it's been behaving very well with these retracement levels here. Now we do have this one down here at 59,464. I was hoping yesterday that we'd just keep on bashing on this 64k level and eventually we'd break through and go a bit higher, but it seems like it just doesn't want to do that at the moment. And I can probably confirm this by saying that the yellow 21 EMA has now crossed the green 55 EMA, so this is now looking bearish. So it's quite likely that the price will come back down here towards like 59.5k. However, we have noticed in the past that we do get a kind of effect between these levels here. Let me just put on the retracement channels. Now I think these are still turned off by default with Quadzilla, but if you go down to the inputs, you can see here retracement channels, so we can enable that. I'm going to increase the opacity of these a little bit just so that we can see them easily. So you can see here that we've got a bearish retracement level there and a bullish one here, and then it draws in this 50% line here, which seems to be behaving like some kind of support at the moment. So maybe we won't come down to here just yet. Now I say that because I've also been looking at this on my weird time frame that I like, which is the 12-minute. And you can see here that with the 12-minute, this has also been respecting its levels very well. There is still this one down here at 59.2k. You can see that the price has come down rather beautifully to these levels here. And I'm looking for a short-term bounce fairly soon. And what I want to see is one of these green super up signals. Now you get that when there's a certain condition in the stochastics here in the momentum oscillator. You can see that the convergence band here thinned right out to that 1 pixel width there, leaving a bit of space there. Now we've noticed in the past that that can be quite powerful, more so on the bigger time frames like the 1 hour and the 4 hour, but nevertheless it is a sign that we might get a bit of a reversal. Now what I decided to do was to wait for a little while and see if we did get the super up there on the 12-minute. Doesn't look like we're going to, because the price has started to come back up a little bit now, and the convergence band is now over the 20% mark, so we're probably not going to get the super up. So that's not a particularly strong signal that we're going to go back up. So I think we're probably going to just sort of meander around until New York Open, which is now in, what would that be, 2 hours from now. So it seems fairly clear that there's been some stuff happening in the Middle East today which has not been good, so that's probably dragging the markets down as well. So who knows. Now I won't be able to do a live stream today, unfortunately, because I've got something to do at 1 o'clock, and it's just, I don't know, I need to concentrate on it, to be honest. So I'm going to do this video instead. I think tomorrow maff is back, so we'll definitely do a stream tomorrow. The only thing tomorrow, I've got something to do at 1:30, so we might have to do the earlier one, which is like 12 o'clock UK time. But I'll see how Maff feels about that when he's back from his holiday in Wales. Anyway, so that's what's happening. If you want to check out Quadzilla, go to savewithcrypto.org/QZ or follow the links down below. I'm trading mostly on Bitunix these days. Bitunix has got great offers at the moment. I'm going to get a new campaign sorted though to get some juicy bonuses for you. So the best thing to do is to make sure you are subscribed. Turn the notifications on and trade safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, take care. Bye. Please note that this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Any information or opinions provided are not guaranteed to be accurate or complete. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. A full legal disclaimer is in the description of each video and live stream.